These law enforcement devices will leave you in awe and make you think twice before committing any mischief. Check out this advanced equipment for law enforcement. The latest ones are absolutely mind-blowing. Let's start with this beauty. This Safe Fleet Smart Camera is an incredible option for security and surveillance systems. With innovative features that set it apart, it automatically starts recording when it detects actions such as door openings or activated sirens, ensuring that critical moments are captured. One of the most important features of the Focus X2 is its ability to encrypt all recordings and upload them to the cloud, ensuring that data is protected and accessible at all times. In addition, the camera has 64 gigabytes of internal memory, providing invaluable additional storage in emergency situations. Its video quality is configurable from 480p to 1440p for optimal clarity and detail. It's easily managed through a mobile app that allows remote configuration. Another exciting aspect of the Focus X2 is its impressive 15 hours of continuous recording on a single charge, making it ideal for long days of surveillance. I thought that was amazing. Wait until you see what's next. We're about to push the limits of what you can imagine. FLIR Thermosight Pro PTS 736 and FLIR Armite BNVD 51 goggles are tools for nighttime security. The Pro PTS 736 is much more than just a thermal imager. With 4x digital and 6x optical zoom capabilities, it offers expanded and detailed vision, even in the most challenging conditions. Its large internal memory can store up to 2.5 hours of video or 1,000 photos, ensuring that no critical moment is missed. In addition, its adjustable focus distance from 10 meters to infinity ensures a clear view in any situation. With a dual-channel system and an impressive 51-degree field of view, they offer panoramic vision that exceeds expectations. Their superior image quality allows you to read even in total darkness, making them an invaluable tool for night operations, with options for white or green phosphor intensifier tubes. Equipped with a built-in infrared illuminator and special mounts to fit any helmet, they provide comfort and stability during operations. This is just the beginning. What's next will defy all known logic. Motorola Apex and radios are essential tools for law enforcement, offering advanced technology and unique features to enhance safety and efficiency in the field. Equipped with artificial intelligence algorithms, these radios provide unprecedented situational control. Officers can make informed decisions based on real-time data, increasing efficiency and safety in the field. They offer enhanced audio and a long-lasting battery of up to 14 hours, ensuring clear, uninterrupted communication throughout the shift. Data security is a priority, with 256-bit AES encryption and robust protocols to protect sensitive information. In addition, they're compatible with GPS systems, including GPS, Galileo, and GLONASS, with assisted GPS technology enabling instant positioning, making it easy to track team locations at all times. Impressed yet? Wait until you see what we have next. Prod 360's ScanForce metal detector gloves are a revolutionary innovation in security, designed for various military and law enforcement applications. With an exceptional ability to detect small objects even through fabric, they provide complete detection in a variety of situations. Acting as a compact metal detector, ScanForce gloves can detect objects at a distance of 4 to 5 centimeters. In addition, the glove's discreet design allows for silent detection without attracting attention. When a suspicious object is detected, the gloves vibrate discreetly, alerting the user without alerting the target. This achievement is just the beginning. Prepare for a roller coaster ride of emotions with the following gear. The Rubez Complex is an innovative crowd control tool that transforms an ordinary vehicle into a powerful mobile barricade or assault ramp, depending on operational needs. With the Ruby system, it provides a solid defense against firearms, with impressive dimensions of 6 meters wide and 3 meters high. This versatility is complemented by the ability to adapt to SUVs, allowing the installation of strobe lights or sound suppression systems to increase its utility. Rubez's efficiency is remarkable. In barricade mode, it can replace up to 24 police officers, optimizing human resources in security operations and increasing officer safety. This solution is not only innovative, but also economical and highly functional in managing riots and crowd control. This breakthrough is groundbreaking. It will mark a before and after in science, but the next one will dwarf it. Justin Lee, founder of Core Performance and a former police officer in Southern California, understood the importance of staying cool and performing in extreme conditions. To combat the sweltering summer heat, he developed Ice Plate, a frozen water tank worn under a bulletproof vest that provides up to 4 hours of continuous cooling at temperatures above 30 degrees Celsius, 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Ice Plate's versatility extends to the winter months, where it can serve as a warming pad filled with warm water, providing up to 5 hours of thermal comfort. In addition to its innovative cooling and warming capabilities, Core Performance continues to innovate with a variety of products designed to enhance performance and comfort in the field, from backpack ventilation pads to custom solutions. And this is just the beginning, because if you like this one, the next one takes it to the next level. Mobile Spike is at the forefront of a revolution in vehicle enforcement, offering the world's fastest system for stopping fleeing vehicles in just 30 to 60 seconds. With the ability to quickly and safely deflate the pursued vehicle's tires, Mobile Spike puts a quick end to dangerous situations. Its simple design makes it easy to use, requiring only a police car and the Mobile Spike device, with no need for road closures or special equipment. With a quick installation time of just 2 hours, police departments can be up and running in no time. Mobile Spike works seamlessly at speeds in excess of 160 kilometers per hour, ensuring that fleeing vehicles cannot escape. Its rugged design and advanced technology ensure reliable performance in any situation. This makes it an essential tool for law enforcement, providing a fast, effective, and safe solution for stopping fleeing vehicles. With the ability to end pursuits in seconds, Mobile Spike is changing the way high-risk situations are handled on the road. We're taking the first steps, but what's coming next is a true revolution, an idea that breaks the mold. Vetronic is revolutionizing traffic control and road safety with its innovative integrated license plate reading system, all in a sleek light bar. This automated system scans and verifies the license plates of passing vehicles and alerts patrol officers to any suspicious activity in real time. Equipped with advanced license plate recognition technology, the system also automatically initiates GPS tracking of the vehicle in question, providing precise real-time location for quick response to criminal activity. With the ability to operate in 3 lanes simultaneously and effectively capture license plates, even at speeds up to 250 kilometers per hour, it ensures wide coverage and fast response in dynamic and challenging situations. A key advantage of the system is its location flexibility, with the ability to scan offenders from the side of the road or within the flow of traffic, giving officers exceptional flexibility in a variety of conditions. And that's just the beginning, because the next invention is mind-blowing. The Star Chase handheld GPS launcher provides accurate and secure tracking of suspicious vehicles, equipping law enforcement officers with a compact and highly effective tool. With cutting-edge technology, this device can fire a tracker from a distance of up to 18 meters, allowing officers to reach and track vehicles in high-risk situations while maintaining a safe distance. The integrated laser sight ensures exceptional accuracy when aiming and firing the tracker, maximizing the chances of a successful pursuit. Star Chase prioritizes the safety of both officers and civilians, with over 10,000 trackers fired without injury, demonstrating its reliability in the field. In addition, the long-lasting battery ensures that the device is ready for use throughout the workday. With versatile options such as the handheld model and the VX model mounted on patrol vehicles, Star Chase provides more effective coordination between officers and increased tracking capability in high-speed or long-duration situations. If you like this invention, get ready, because the next one will blow your mind. Prod 360 presents the Prod 360 Shield, a shield designed to enhance public safety with its innovative EDI system. With powerful lighting capabilities, it offers 3 modes with a brightness of 14,000 lumens, visible up to 10 meters during the day and 30 meters at night, providing effective illumination for signaling or disorienting criminals. Versatility and continuous improvement are key features that adapt to the changing needs of law enforcement, from protest dispersal to police operations. The Prod 360 Shield provides reliable protection and enhanced responsiveness. In summary, the Prod 360 Shield is a powerful tool that advances public safety and protects those who serve and protect our communities. After seeing the level of policing with these inventions, we can be sure to walk the streets without harm. If you like this, support us by subscribing. And if you want more, check out the rest of our videos.